Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a monster truck. Yes, it is a new monster truck. It is fast, but it can do something really cool that I think you guys will like. Okay, so you see my other monster truck right there. This one's really special because it can do something that not a lot of monster trucks can do. It can go sideways. So there's the buttons here. For me, I shouldn't press the A because that makes it go crazy. Sometimes, like, I just don't touch it and it's like, yeah, if I press this. Yeah. Of course, this is for turning and stuff. Yeah. Ow. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put the phone right here. Here we go. This is what it looks like to go sideways. Ah. Wish those lights would work. Cause that would have been cool. It would have been like beep. Drive in the dark. Yeah, it'd be good for a dark outside or outsiding car. Epic montage. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the games. Yeah. That was my epic montage for this beautiful monster truck. In one of my older videos, I had this monster truck. It can go really fast. This one can't go as fast, but this one, it's fast. So this is going to be a size comparison. So this is the big yellow one, and this is this one right beside. It's almost twice the size. No, not that big though. Here's the height difference. Set to here. So you have that much. That much. So yeah. Let's see the inside of the car. Might be a little bit ugly. See the inside of you. Oh, buckets! Right here. Ooh la la! Yeah, you can see the steering wheel, right? Somewhere's over here, right here. But that is it for our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh yeah. Our sub goal is 30. We're gonna try the goal again. So we're gonna try to hit 30 subs, and if this works, we'll do a special video about hitting the 30 subs because that's our goal. We only need like 2-3 more subscribers. Come on guys, you can do it. We crushed our last goal. It was for 25 subscribers, but we got like 26 from that. Because I was at 24. So I got 2 more subscribers from that. Thank you guys for crushing my goal. Yeah, but make sure you like and subscribe, and peace out. banana color.